Hey guys, coming at you this week with a tip around kale and eating it raw. Kale's one of those foods that people are really scared of because it's like so healthy, and I'm here to tell you that it is absolutely so good for you. So many awesome health benefits to packing your diet full of any dark leafy green, kale included, but it can feel intimidating. This like kind of rough, coarse leafy green, like what do I do with it? So if you're going to enjoy kale raw, this is the key. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this purple leaf kale. There are many varieties of kale. They're all equally as delicious and packed with nutritional value, is to massage it. I literally mean to massage it. So the first step is going to be to pull it off of the stem. So if you're buying fresh kale like this, you're just pulling it off of the stem. And then you're going to take these leaves, and as you tear it, you're going to sort of just rip it into bite-sized pieces for a salad or to eat raw, however you're enjoying it. And I'm literally taking it in my hands, and as it drops into the bowl, I am massaging it through my fingers. So I'm gonna just continue to do that. I just rinse this, and then as I pull it all off the stem, and I just massage it as I drop it into the bowl. This is going to result in super tender, delicious raw kale to enjoy as the mainstay green to your salad or to complement whatever greens you have going in. Hope that that's helpful. Happy cooking.